Welcome to dingpongcrate.
Great.
Awesome. So today's video is going to be 10 things you must need to know before you come to Mexico. And the first thing we're going to talk about
Money.
money. That's right. Money. We all need money to go moving around, do things, fun stuff. And so in Mexico, they don't really use credit card that much. It's mostly cash. So cash is the king. So in order to exchange money, we don't recommend you to do exchange money over at the
Airport.
right? Because the airport is exchange rate is around 1,500, and we notice in Cancun downtown it's 1620, somewhere around there, which is a little bit more exchange money. So you want to be able to stretch more money for the dollar on that. Let me show you some money. So this is a peso right here. The bigger bill comes in at 500, doesn't it?
Yeah.
500 and 200, 50s, and 20s like this. So let's say if you have a 500 of this, you want to be able to break it down if you can, so you can have much smaller like this with the coins too. And the reason we say that because when you use a bathroom here in Mexico, you have to pay everything. You know, it's not like America where you just go free will, but here you have to pay for bathroom for it. And so the bathroom usually costs about 7 peso.
5 to 7.
5 to 7 peso.
Yeah, it's very cheap.
Yeah, it's very cheap and stuff. So it's like, what, 50 cents?
Yeah. But even if you are penny short, they'll make you pay. So you want to have a change.
Exact change. That's why you want to be able to break it down, the big bills to smaller piece. And plus, if you're going to use tips, if you're tipping anybody for all-inclusive for your service staff, things like that, yeah, you want to tip them in a smaller amount on that. So, and if you're buying food, things like that, smaller bills always helps. So number 2, it's going to be airport. So when you get off an airport, there can be so many people gonna harass you saying, hey, come to my taxi, hey, use this shuttle, or there's gonna be a whole bunch of them just coming right at you as you come out from the customs. And so be aware of that. And if you made some arrangement with all-inclusive resort with pre-arrangement for you guys to come pick them up and take to your hotels and stuff, that's great. If you have it and you're looking for ways to save money, you can use Auto. It's
Or what you call Adeo.
Adeo, yeah. It's ADO is how you spell it. It's kind of like the red bus. And you can use that bus to go down to, from airport to downtown. And from downtown, you can go to like Cozumel, Tulum, and many other resorts area for that. Yeah. And then beyond that, from the downtown to if you want to go to other main attraction stuff, you can use the auto to go those places. So from the airport to downtown Cancun, it takes about 45 minutes, and it costs about $8. So roughly around 120, 130 pesos. Yeah, on that.
So if you are riding a bus, Adeo, you will save a lot more than riding a taxi.
Yeah, definitely. Taxis goes for about around 30 to 40 bucks. So if you have that kind of cash, that's good for you. All right, so number 3 thing that we're going to talk about is water. And so the water, we recommend to buy one of this water bottle like this, or something, that big thing like this. And this holds about 5 liters of a gallon. And so when you buy a bigger portion, it saves money, a whole bunch of them by purchasing this.
So we've been here for 4 days. We drank this within the 3 days.
Yeah, we surely did.
And then we were buying drinks outside when we were eating at the same time.
So from the tap water or the faucet, to washing your hair, brushing your teeth, cooking is all fine. But drinking part is not so fine on that. So, all right. So next thing is watch your belongings. Wherever you go for shopping, to excursions, to wherever you go on that, because there's times where, you know, the thieves and stuff want to grab something, your valuable things away from you. So, for example, like if they were So this is my valuable thing here, inside here. Now if you put it right behind, if you carry something like this, then anybody can grab a scissors, go snap, and then take it away from you before you know it.
Yeah.
And then,
Like in any other country, France or here or America, even, anybody can pickpocket. So it's always good to put your backpack in the front, or even when you are sitting in the bus
kind of
or
like this,
van,
so you can see.
always put it on your lap and like hold it. Then you'll most likely be safe and you won't get robbed.
For the number 5, sunscreen. Sunscreen is something that's absolutely a must. You need. If you can get like a 50 SPF, something like that, that'd be wonderful, because you guys will go through a lot, because Cancun is really, really hot and humid, and moment you step out and stand outside, you're literally taking a shower. Oh, yeah. So.
And about that, hat. These are nice to have, but I recommend to have bigger hat like this to cover whole face. Because if not, you will be very tan, unless if you like to have a tan.
Yeah, and also it's good to cover your ear for the sunburn,
And
because
then, also when you are wearing sandal, your feet on top will burn.
something like this.
So you will want to have a spray or a suntan lotion.
All right, so let's talk about number 6. It's voltage. So when you come to Mexico and stuff, you don't need let's see, voltage transfer converter or things like that, because Mexico and US, they use the same voltage, same outlet, things like that.
Those of you coming from Europe, you'll definitely have to bring a converter.
Or Korea or any other country, you definitely, only for US and Canada residents, you can just bring whatever you have at home to hear it be the same socket on that. So number 7 is
Pack light.
pack light, because Cancun is so hot all the time, and it's not just the Cancun, just the whole Mexico is so hot. So all you need is just a light shirt, light pants, and few socks, Really, you don't need a lot of heavy stuff. So packing it light is really good, essential for it.
Yeah, especially when you are changing the bus or van, any kind of transportation, it's much easier to travel when you pack it light.
Yeah. And another thing is, for number 8, so number 8, be able to learn Spanish. It is something that's very, very helpful to be able to communicate with locals.
Just knowing basic will help you get around easier.
Yeah, because a lot of times we could use knowledge, but unsuccessful. So
we are too busy, we didn't get the chance to learn, but we are trying to learn here.
So learn from our mistake. And so if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you can leave a like and a comment, it would be very, very helpful to grow my channel.
Or any question you have.
Yeah, on that. All right. So number 8.
Number 9.
Oh, number 9. Okay. And I guess if you want to buy something, and if you love to haggle and stuff, wow, you have a power to do so here in Mexico, because Mexicans are really good at saying $10, $10, and then if you walk away, they say $5 immediately, and then if you walk again, oh no, $1. I don't know how that is possible, but if you have a haggling power and if you know how to do it, use it here in Mexico, because it's going to do you good. Stretch your money.
Yeah, we got a shirt for, actually they were asking 200 peso, but we end up getting it for 100 peso.
Yeah, so, and then number 10 is being kind to Mexican people are really, I think it's a must, something we all can do, and try, because these people are so wonderful. They're willing to help out of their way to help you, direct you, to help whatever help you need to make your trip to be more memorable and things like that. It's just very helpful.
I think it's good to respect their own culture and just be nice about it.
Yeah, the customs and local things and things like that.
If we respect them, they will respect us.
Yeah, and then before we close off, just want to let you know that security-wise and in this area, it's really safe. We've been here for like 5 days, and we had no problem walking around downtown area and outside of the downtown in other remote areas. We had no problem. So if you hear something bad rumors about, in the news or something, Mexico's bad, it's gain and whatever, yes, it might be true to a certain degree, but you can't just live on fear and stuff like that until you go out of your comfort zone and travel and be with locals and be able to mingle. Yeah, you don't know until you try it. So it's really good.
As long as you are not walking around at night, 1 to like 5 in the morning, you should be fine.
Yeah, you should be fine. All right, thank you so much for watching our channel, and see you next video. I'll see you later. Bye.